Are your lips cracked like the clay of Death Valley? Or drier than the Sahara Desert? Well, I have 2 sweet, delicious coffee lip scrubs to treat your lip situation. So if you want to know how to get soft, pink, smooth lips, then keep on watching. Welcome back to the channel. Subscribe. Click the bell to receive all new posts. And like this video. Warning: these exfoliating scrubs can be used on the face, lips, and skin. So before applying, complete a patch test on the back of your hand and wait at least 15 to 20 minutes to ensure there is no allergic reaction to any of these ingredients. Coffee benefits for skin. Researchers have found that topically applied caffeine help protect against some skin cancers at the molecular level by inhibiting a protein enzyme in the skin. Coffee reinforces the skin's protective defense from bacteria, viruses, and fungi. The acid in coffee produces a chemical and mechanical exfoliant, the best of both worlds. Applying coffee to the surface of your skin can brighten it, prevent clogged pores, and soften lines. Materials needed for Sweet Frappe Coffee Scrub. Coffee. Brown sugar. Honey. Tea tree oil. Grapeseed oil. A mixing bowl. A spoon. The Frappe Coffee Scrub recipe. 1 tablespoon of coffee. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. 1/2 tablespoon of honey. At least 1/2 teaspoon of tea tree oil. At least 1/2 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. Mix well until all ingredients are incorporated. Your Sweet Frappe Coffee Scrub is ready for application. Materials needed for Peppermint Patty Coffee Scrub. Coffee. White sugar. Ground cinnamon. Peppermint essential oil. Castor oil. peppermint extract, grapeseed oil, a spoon, and mixing bowl. Peppermint patty coffee scrub recipe. One tablespoon of coffee. 1 tablespoon of white sugar. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. 5 to 6 drops of peppermint essential oil. Five to 6 drops of peppermint extract. One to 2 teaspoons of castor oil. 1 to 2 teaspoons of grapeseed oil. Mix well till all ingredients are incorporated. Your peppermint patty scrub is ready for application. Let me know in the comment section below which scrub is your favorite. Want more DIY scrubs like this one? Then subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more natural remedies. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Give us a like. Comment below. Share this video.